Pheasants are active this morning, as are the little birds. The Raniushek, which is what the Poles call God, what is it? The bird of the morning, but in English it's the tit. It's not the blue tit, the great tit. The other one, the cute little one with the little hair, and the long tail. God, it's gone. And they always hang about in little flocks. And in Poland they were everywhere. Wonderful little birds. Yellowhammers, woodpeckers, all manner of tiny little creatures, but no less genius for being small. In fact, quite the opposite. Up here, beginning of April. And this moisture, this is the weather, this is absolutely perfect. The breathing of the continents and I mean, look at the sky, look at the formations, look at the nebulous quality. And you have this moisture, it's not raining, it's sort of drizzling a little bit. And moisturizing, as I like to call it. You know, this is your real moisturizer and cosmetic, not some chemical that you put in your skin and that you pay through the nose for 30 years so that you can destroy your face. But this, the weather, this is your true cosmetic, the cosmos, and it's free. And here in Glasgow it's wonderful. You don't get this in other cities, you know, where it's too hot or too dry or whatever. This moisturizing quality, and it's absolutely wonderful. You just feel so energized and refreshed, especially coming into the hills when you come back down. It's like having a shower, but a natural shower, you know, not a sort of an unnatural one. Although an unnatural shower is not bad as well. You know, it's the place of revelation, I always say, the bath or the shower. More so when you're up in the hills, taking it. And there's the green woodpecker, as if to concur.